A contact is the fundamental unit of interaction in a CRM. Without clear, structured contacts, it's impossible to work effectively with clients. In this lesson, we'll show you how to create and edit a contact and how to navigate the contact list in SendPulse CRM. Let's start with the basics, creating contacts. Go to the Contacts section in the CRM. Here you'll find the Add Contact button. It's easy to create a contact. You can add all the necessary client information, including their first and last name, email, messenger details, phone number tags, a description, company, and additional files. In addition to the standard fields, you can add your own custom attributes to the contact card. For example, you can add the contact's location, their preferences, a client status, and other parameters that are important to you. You can also use this data for personalized communication. To add new fields that will be available by default when creating a contact, click Add Field. Enter the field name and choose the field type. It can be a string, number, date, and time, link, list, or checkbox. To make a field mandatory, tick the Make It Required box. After you've created a contact, you can edit these same options: the data, the assigned manager, tags, status, and also add a note or a communication history. It's easy to manage contacts in the CRM. For example, in the contact list, find the contact you need and click on their name to open the card. Then click the three-dot button and choose an action. Duplicate. This creates a copy of the contact with all the data, allowing you to easily change details and add fields or files. Block Student. This option is only available for contacts who are taking courses in your account. Delete contact. If you want to edit several contacts at once, select them in the list using the checkbox to the left of the contact's name. You can also select contacts based on specific filter criteria. A panel at the top will show you how many contacts are selected. By using the checkbox to the left of the contacts option, you can see all the contacts on the list and select them all. For a bulk edit of multiple contacts, you have the following actions available: assign or unlink a tag. You can assign or unlink a selected tag that was previously added in the settings. Change the team member, merging contacts, delete contacts. Please note that when you choose to delete a contact from the CRM, you delete them along with all associated data. To the right, you'll also see the export option, which allows you to download a data file to your device. Just click it and choose your preferred format. Filling out a more detailed client profile allows you to quickly find their contact in the future using filters, such as by status, tags, source, location, or the assigned manager. You can also add conditions and search by description, date of birth, or job title. Additionally, you can select contacts that were created within the last 90, 30, or 7 days, for example. You can save your useful filters by simply clicking Save Filter and giving it a name. You'll then find it in Saved Filters. When deals are created automatically, the contact card is created automatically as well. Working with contacts is a daily task. A clear list, quick search, and up-to-date data are the foundation for sales, automations, and communication. In the next lesson, we will talk about importing and exporting contacts. See you then.